Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here, with some more NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 2 of the 187 Diecasts. We are going to do Ryan Blaney's and Joey Logano's Moneyline and Auto Trader 187 cars. Let's get them out of the box. And here's Ryan Blaney's Moneyline. So it's green with the number 12. It has Moneyline, and it always has, you know, how Team Penske drivers always have those lines they go through. It's basically almost all their schemes. The white, and it's white and like an aqua green kind of color. There's this Moneyline, which is like an online bank stuff. Like you can buy stuff easily, you know, like you'll use it when you do shopping. And here's Joey Logano's Auto Trader car. Now, his Auto Trader car is a little different than what originally was. So I'll get his, larger scale car. So basically, the Auto Trader used to be orange with, like those classic Penske lines that are always on their cars. But now it's just, blue with the white line. A blue and white line, only one. And I think the back wheels are somehow stuck. No. Oh, wait, no, they're working fine. It's just... yeah. So they are 187 cars, like I said. They both are smaller than the big version right here. And these are some new schemes. You can go and you can get the 2-packs or the mystery packs like I showed. But I think I prefer, the normal packs because you do not know what you're going to get in the mystery packs. Well, that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.